this is a quick way to show you how to make your screencast, and then the main thing is I want to show you how to save it. Okay, so once I make my screencast, I'm going to click, I'm going to make sure I'm in my published site, and then I'm going to be recording throughout my whole website, talking about each thing we did, kind of reflecting it. You don't have to take a long time. I know you did it. I just want to say, gee, I really liked using Wakelet. I think I'll use it in the future with some resources. Oh, I really liked doing the digital story. I like the blog, or if I think I'll use it as give an example. When you finish this and you've recorded everything and talked about it, you're going to hit pause. Now, I'm not going to do pause to show you. Then once I hit pause, I'm going to hit save. And then when I hit save, I'm going to do save it not as a screen pal, now very important, listen to this, but as a video file. And then as I save it as the video file, I want to save it to the desktop, not to screen pal. Well, again, listen to me. Save it to the desktop, not to screen pal. So when you get ready to upload it to YouTube, you just have to go get the video file, which is an MP4, off of your desktop. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to upload a video into YouTube. So I click on my YouTube. If I would stop recording this right here normally, but I'm going to click on the YouTube, and I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to go to my channel, your channel. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this video, and I'm going to upload the video another video that I saved to show you how to do it. So I hit create, upload video, hit select files, and I have saved the video onto my desktop. So let's see if I just did week 5 overview, or if I did intro to how to create resources. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, so I hit open, and it says that's my name, how to create resources in Wiki, but yours is going to be my final evaluation screencast. That's what your title should say. Then you'll hit next, then you'll hit next, and you'll hit next, and you want to make sure it's public, and then publish it. Now, so what happens is you have now uploaded to your video, to YouTube. And all I have to do, see, it's not finished publishing yet, but I can use this little option and get shareable link. And then I go to my Word doc, open it, and paste it. And that's what I would submit as my final screencast. Do not save your screencast. Do not save your screencast to ScreenPal. Save it as a video file. Save the video file onto your desktop. Open your YouTube and upload it.